Hey guys, we're heading to IKEA today to see if we can pick up a few things for the kitchen. We love coming here and the time goes by so fast. We live about 3 hours away, so it's definitely a big trip for us. We do try to plan this every couple of months. Our priority today would be to swap out a few things in our kitchen and some bits and bobs around the house. We arrived after 1 p.m, so the best thing for us to do to avoid angry and hangry children would be to eat first. My favorite section in the food court has to be the dessert section. I could eat 3 of those and nothing else. I would have to say I was quite nervous on this trip simply because I have not filmed like this in public really. I have got to work on my nerves and my confidence as well as multitasking because I still have to be a mom, film and do things at the same time. I found it quite challenging. So we did our best to have our food without my toddler crawling under everyone's table. Am I the only parent that freaks out every time he touches the ground? For whatever reason, I just can't get him to stop doing that. He didn't eat much and we all tried to hurry up with our food because we know that we have a timer when it comes to a toddler and his patience level while shopping is going to be very, very low. Anyway, let's enjoy the little browse through for now, and at the end of the video I'll do a little haul of what we got.
What did you get?
Chicken king.
Nuggets and chips over here.
Chicken burger. I got this giant fish.
Giant.
Okay, so we got this cushion cover set from the discounted section, 50 from €5. Seems to be in good condition. My son is obsessed with dinosaurs, so we got him a nice duvet cover. We are replacing all our plastic containers and Tupperware to make things a little bit more safer for us, especially when we're heating food with kids. You know, they're always microwaving food as well. Definitely need some more rechargeable batteries. These are great. We have so many of these. Got these cute little bowls here for dipping sauce. My son loves trains. This is his second set. We have these bowls already. We just needed to add extra. Extension cord, my husband's choice. He says it'll be useful. Extra Ziploc bags. We always buy these from IKEA. Extra boards. We have a bigger one, so we thought get the small one. So cute. Got these for my daughters. They're homeschooled, so we have their ball books and stuff. They have a paper version of that, but it's not holding up too well. Got these so we could replace all our plastic basins. We've been wanting a saucepan, so we finally got one. We can replace all our silicone plastic serveware spoons and cooking spoons. The board we needed to replace. This one's really cool though. It's double-sided, so I think you can cut your pizzas on this. My daughter wanted this for her bedside. This was the reason why we went to IKEA, because we do have one and it's already broken. We use it so much. Cute guy here. Forgot his name. Hang on. And one more pot plant as well. This was the main thing we wanted to buy as well, besides the steamer. We're trying to replace all of our pots. We've been using coated non-stick cookware, so now we're switching to stainless steel. Okay, so my son wanted this blue whale, and we also got this garlic press, this cute little utensil holder for the sink. It's got little drainage holes in there. See the holes. This is for draining. Cute, huh?